Hi guys, again today is Friday and if I look at the markets, the market breadth was positive, volumes were positive yesterday. So that tells me, and also if I look at the FI data, the net addition, I'm summarizing everything, future options, everything. There was a mild positive addition, bullish addition of positions by FIs also. In terms of DIs again, that has been going good. Now, the question from me actually would be coming is that. What actually should we be doing, because market is now trading in the range of 9800 to 10000. I would think that if you are an option lover, then I think a strangle strategy qualifies now. 9800 put and 10100 call, make a combination, and at present that strangle is looking good. And a caveat here is just hope that the market opens slightly flat for you and is not a 50-point gap up. So perhaps I think if you're not actually if you're doing some 10-point or flat opening or 10-point here and there, then I think 9800 put and 10100 combination is very good. Now, why you should be looking at only if you believe that in the next almost 10-12 days, you believe that Nifty perhaps is going to make a move larger than 50 points. So if a Nifty rises by more than 50 points or falls by more than 50 points, then this triangle strategy is going to work beautifully. Now, second point would be what do I believe in terms of movements? Bank Nifty very muted, no direction at all. Levels remain the same. If you have been following me, I think levels remain the same. Nifty again, levels remain the same. 9950 resistance, 9820 support on downside, and then we talk about 9700. So at present, I think if you are really a smart trader, then I think you should be trading outside of the index, because action is in mid caps and small caps. What do I like? I think I like export stocks, chemical stocks. Anyways, chemicals are my favorite. So chemicals exports, because GST Council measures perhaps could be actually very positive for textiles, chemicals, largely exporters in general. So what's the data telling me? The data is telling me that very strong long bullish open interest basically has been created in Arvind, Raymond, Century Textiles. All three are textile stocks: Arvind, Century Textiles, and again Raymond's. Now, Urban Century are actually the safer ones. Bombardang again upper circuit yesterday. I think all are textiles. So textile basically is having a very sort of good bullish formation there. Jubilant Foods again looking quite good. I think in the last half hour 1 hour also, the stock was actually seeing very good strong long formations. So I think that stock, if you're really a good punter, really good speculative trader, then because Jubilant Food has a very high volatility, so just be cognizant of that. So Jubilant Food perhaps is also actually looking good in terms of trend momentum continuation. Then actually we come to chemical stocks. Chemical stocks again in general are seeing very strong accumulation. GNFC, GSFC, so Gujarat State Fertilizer, Gujarat Namda, again both GNFC, GSFC, they actually are looking quite good. Gujarat Alkali, again that is also looking quite good, seeing very good accumulation. Deepak Nitrite again looking quite good from the chemical pack, and there are some small caps also, Balaji Amines and all that. Broadly, I'm taking the names of chemical stocks where there is good volume. Now, I just took these names. Tata Chemical in particular, watch out that stock. Large cap Tata Group stock, again seeing very good buying. So chemicals in particular, I like them a lot. They actually are showing good signs. And then Dalmia Bharat just broke major support levels. So that's a technical language. Fundamentally, cement price have been hiked in Mumbai. Dalmia is a beneficiary of that. So again, a good sort of up move. And usually July, August, you come out of a lean period. Cement prices usually correct. Cement stocks correct, and then seasonality kicks in. September prices start inching upwards. October cement prices increase more, and stocks start outperforming. So I think Dalmia Bharat has corrected, and now basically is again sort of making a comeback. So just watch out for that stock. That stock perhaps could be an outperformer. So I think broadly, I think these are stocks which you should be keeping a very close eye, and I believe these stocks perhaps could be outperformers. For me, the flavor of the day would be the GST Council meeting and outcome of that, and I think a lot of export relief measures. And I think there is no speculation. I think it's taken for granted that relief measures are going to come, because the economy is not looking that great. There's a lot of anger on the street, because it's like doesn't make any reason why you should be asking for 36 form submissions like from everybody. I think those should be turned into quarterly submissions. I think a lot of things are going to be announced on the lines of that. A lot of tax rate jugglery is going to be done. So I think those relief measures are going to help. So I think markets perhaps, I don't think so markets are going to fall anywhere. The base is firmly around 9800. So my idea would be focus on mid caps, small caps, value is there. Don't look at the index and think about market is not doing anything, because the action is clearly in mid caps and small caps, and money is being made in those areas. With that, have a good day, and keep me posted. Take care.